Sounds good. Rev it. What's up, YouTube? Chris back at it again with another vlog. What's up, guys? Today I am so excited. So today we have the ISR Performance single exit exhaust. Technically it's for the 350Z. Since I do have a G35, I bought an extension for it. Hopefully, I'm expecting fitment issues. I'm expecting it, but hopefully it'll fit. Hopefully everything works out. It should fit technically. Let's go ahead and get this started, guys. I am so excited. I just bought this car recently, and if you guys are new to this channel, I just bought a 2005 G35 6-speed manual. I've had an exhaust on the other car. On the other one, it was just a muffler delete, and it was just test pipes, and I didn't have an exhaust, you know, I just made one basically. So this is the first time I'm buying an exhaust for a G, so wish me luck, guys. All right, guys, so here's the exhaust. Say what's up to Herman.
Saw, dude.
So this is the ISR Performance single exit. Now this is the resonator, and then we have the single exit muffler over there that Herman is currently holding. And then I gotta open up the 8-inch extension, and then we'll start installing this thing. Let's do this. So I'm just gonna show you guys exactly where we're gonna bolt. So this is one right here. I don't even think we actually need to unbolt that right there.
Oh yeah, right there.
So there's a hinge right here. The white pipe is back there. We're gonna unbolt those right there. Is there one up here somewhere? Yeah. Oh, right there. And then there's these ones. This one, and then another one over there. Okay, I'm gonna start PB blasting shit. Imagine it just falls out. It's all like
the mask.
Yo, yeah. Oh god. Hell yeah. So we just got the stock exhaust off. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Had a little hiccups, but. So we're gonna be putting on the extension.
Make one, dude. You could make
Out of one of those? Yeah, fuck yeah. It's just the 8-inch extension. Technically, it's supposed to help with the fitment. So let's hope that everything works out. So I'm gonna show you guys. Oh. It's always gonna be fucking like shorter than what it is. Like, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Like that. Like this, right? Oh, fuck. There you go.
Laying pipe right now. What?
I was worried it was hitting that fucking thing, but it's not going to.
It's not going to?
Yeah, it's not. That's good. I thought it was. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay guys, I don't know if you guys could see that, but we put that 8-inch extension in there. ISR right here, so it extended it out 8 inches, and then there's the ISR, and then there's the resonator, and now we're gonna bolt up the actual muffler.
It'll work, Chris.
Fuck yeah, I'm being a little bitch right now.
I'm bad, dude.
Herman's off. Fucking stop being a little bitch.
I'm being such a wussy, bro. Nail me in the head, Chris.
Like that?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah. I think it's gonna sit perfectly. Look, it's right there. Look.
Ow! Fucking sat on a bolt. Ow!
It's like every day for me, bro.
Sit on nuts or what?
No, fucking sit on, or I fucking step on Legos and shit.
There it is. That's perfect.
Okay, guys, so like I previously stated, there is some fitment issue, but it's not that bad. I might end up doing eventually down the road. But for right now, it's fitting okay. We're just gonna bolt everything and tighten everything down. And then we're going to, so basically what we had to do, so this hanger right here, right here is the issue. It's the end, it wants to sit, make the cars, or make the muffler hit the bumper, right? So what we did was we just put in one bolt right here, and then we still hung it up, but we just bolted one, and we kind of pulled it down a little bit. So we bent the metal a little bit, whatever metal we bent, but it's not gonna go anywhere. But trust me guys, it's not gonna go anywhere. Herman even swore by his exhaust is holding on by one bolt too, but. So eventually what we might do is we might get like an extension of basically like metal rods that we could put bolts through so it could sit flush down, and then we'll be pretty much done. But we're just tightening everything up. Check it out guys. That looks sick. Alright guys, now it's time to start it up and see what it sounds like.
Are you ready, Chris?
I don't know if I'm ready. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Fuck. Sounds good. Rev it. Fuck, that sounds sick. Alright guys, so sounds pretty good. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think of those sound clips. I think it sounded pretty legit. It looks legit. Woo, I'm so excited. So excited for that. My car's coming together guys. It's coming together. You know, it's not loud, and I didn't expect it to be too loud, but you can definitely tell it has a different exhaust, and you could definitely tell that it's, you know, not stock. It's not stock. So next thing would be to get some test pipes or a Y pipe to even, you know, get it even closer to a louder car. So for right now guys, let me know what you guys think. Probably get some rolling shots or something maybe, but let me know what you guys think. Please like and subscribe. This might be the end of the video, but oh man, I'm so excited. So excited.